On the top rack? What do you mean snacks? No, it says adjust top rack. It doesn't say snacks. Okay, but then, no, it says adjust top rack. It doesn't say snacks. No, you have plenty of snacks. Well, what's the next one say? It does not say cheese balls. Put cheese on all, not cheese balls. It does not say give you snacks. No, it does not. Let me see this. You marked it. It says give Hudson next. Did you mark this out? That is definitely your handwriting, sir.